Swoosh, just do it. 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 Swoosh, just do it.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're gonna be doing another mod to the car. This one I really wanted to do a long time ago, but haven't done it yet, and as of right now, boom, 47,000 miles on it, and I still have yet to get it done. So today I'm going to be installing the PRL air filter, and I'm gonna be doing the cabin filter. So we're gonna do both of them, same video right now. Okay, so I went ahead, opened the box up. There is the tube, PRL, all the hardware that you need. And then the air filter. There it is, people. Check it out. So now I'm gonna show you guys the cabin air filter. So, this is not PRL, this is some other aftermarket, but it looks like it's the same. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up the hood, and let's start this. Alright people, there's the tube. So it's gonna go right over here. Alright, so I got my screwdriver. So I'm going to take these 4 pieces off. These 4 screws off. Alright, so I loosened all these 4 clamps up. Now I'm going to take these 2 10mm bolts off. Take these 2 bolts off right over here. They both still are 10mm, so go ahead and do that. Alright, so I took both bolts off. So now pull it out. There it is. There it is. Now I'm gonna take this other piece off. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Take these 2 big clamps, put one on this side and put one on that side, and then this small clamp goes right here, and just put it right in there. I put the clips on all 3 parts that need to be tightened up. Adapter inside. I'm gonna grab the other hardware, which come with the 2 bolts. Where you see the 2 holes, you want to screw both. I believe they're 10mm, so you want to screw both of them right inside. So I went ahead and started putting this adapter hardware. You shouldn't tighten it up because I believe you're going to want to move it around so it could fit in its right place. I am going to put the tube back in and then redo the steps, but backwards. What I'm going to do is tighten all 3 clamps. This one right here, and that one, and then put the old hardware back in. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after.
Fuck your threat, boy, you see me in your state. If we fuck, it's a nut, not a date. I was broke in the town the other day. Bitch, my name Kilo, that's a Q, not a K. Won't pull a 4, but I will pull a 8. I'm getting money, get your girl out my face. Kev a shooter, he a fool with that K. Got a Honda, but I will cop that Rave. Give you smoke, it ain't free, I ain't ain't Drake. Still in college, wait till I graduate. Diamonds.
Alright people, all the bolts are tight. This clip is tightened up. This one. You gotta tighten this bolt up. These two, this one, and the one down there. Everything's good, solid, won't move. So now we're going to put the air filter in. For some odd reason, I saw this. It wasn't even a clip. I'm probably going to the Honda dealership and see how come have a clip on it, which is pretty weird. There, you just push it out. And I believe that's the only one. You remove this clip if you have one, and you pull this one out, and then if you go over here, what you have to do is push the intake towards you, lift it up a little bit and push it towards you. There's a filter. I'm going to just take it out. Ooh, look how dirty this was. That is pretty dirty. Alright, there it is. To be honest, this is pretty heavy and this is light, but you guys see the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Put it exactly the way it was before. So you see this piece right here? This was facing towards you. So there it is. You just want to go ahead and put it just like this inside. As you guys can see, I'm not really like a mechanic or anything, but alright people, there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead, close it up, turn the car on, rev it a little bit for you guys, and then do a little drive-by. And do a little drive-by and see if I see a difference. Okay people, put this clip back in there. Like I said, I'm gonna go to the dealership to figure out why I didn't even have a clip over here, but I don't think it's gonna move. So there it is people, the last look. Okay people, so this is what it sounds like inside of the car. Alright, so this is on Eco. Okay, so what you want to do is take everything out your glove box. I have a lot of stuff, don't judge me. Alright, and then you want to pull this, push this clip down out, like going towards this way. You push these two pieces out, and then it should go down. So this piece right here, this piece right there, you just push these in and it'll come right out, And then the air filter is right inside here. Okay, so when you go to take it off, you gotta push these two clips, and then you'll access the cabin air filter. Yeah, slide it right out. Alright, so as you see, the cabin air filter is really dirty. So let me go get the other one. Alright, people. So now just go ahead and put this, slide it right back inside. Alright, so the cabin air filter is back inside. We're gonna go ahead and close it back up. Alright, it's closed. Now you want to put these back inside here. And then put this clip back. You want to put it back right under this part right here. Alright, and then we're done. Alright, so both cabin and air filter are out, the new ones are in. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw these inside the trash. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna keep those in case I ever want to go back to factory OEM parts, I guess. I doubt that. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I answer to everybody who comments, and I hope you guys keep tuning into my videos. I have a lot more videos on the way, so don't forget about me. It's your boy Jovenel, and I'm out. Peace.